How to fix 0x80243FFF Windows Update error. 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Repair Windows Update client using DISM. Commands include dism.exe /online/cleanup image /restore health dism.exe /online/cleanup image /restore health /source c:\repair source \windows limit access 3. Reset Windows Update components. 4. Install Windows Update in Clean Boot. 5. Download Update manually and install it via MS Catalog website.